Hello everyone, welcome back with ZW3D Basic 3D Modeling for exercise number 5. Okay, first in here we can create new drawing, and I will choose part, use standard. You can change name in here and you can click OK. The next we can create new sketch. I will choose a top plane. You can click OK. In here I will create circle, start from this point, and we can set for diameter into 45. We create again circle in here with diameter 40. The next we can create circle with diameter 15. Okay, now you can create line. You can choose these tools, draw, and I will click from this point into here. We can set for distance. You can use a quick dimension from this point into center point. In here I will set into 30. And now you can use power trim to cut line objects, circles, and lines. Okay, we can create circle, start from this point, and we can set for radius into 5. The next we create circle in here with radius 10, and also at this point. You can use power trim. Okay, we can cut in here. You also can cut at this point. Okay, cut again in this point, and the last we cut in here and also inside here. Okay, now you can click exit to finish sketch. To convert into 3D models, I will use extrude tools. You can click here extrude. We can select this sketch. You can use this option. Now we can select these regions. Okay, you can select one by one these all regions, and then we can click OK. I will set extrude type into one side. The next for ends in here, extrusion we can set into 5, and I will change direction to the bottom here. You can click OK to apply. The next we can active for sketch 1. You can right click and click unblank to show the sketch. And now we can click extrude again. I will select this sketch. Use this option. We can select this polygon. Now we can extrude this polygon. You can click in arrows. You can extrude to the top. And in here we can set extrusion into 70. You can click OK. You can click OK again to apply. Okay. Now in here I will draw line at this face. You can select and click sketch. We can use draw tools to create line, start from this point into here. The next you can click exit, and in this point we can create new dentum plane. You can click here dentum plane, click at this point, and you can click OK. Now in here I will create circle. You can click sketch and choose this dentum plane, click OK. Use circle command to create circle from this point. We can set a radius into 10. This is OK. And for distance from the center point into here, we can set into 30. Click OK. Now you can exit sketch. And in here we can use extrude tools to extrude this circle. We can change directions. We can set into 15. For extrusion, and in here we can combine these tools 8 to combine into one these objects. The next you can click apply, so it will be combined into one. Now in this object I will use seal tools to create seals. You can click here seals, and for shape we can select this object. The next for open O you can select at this face and also in here. And now we can set for thickness into -4. Okay, this for -4. You can click OK to apply this seal command. So it will be create seals. The next we can combine these two objects. You can use this add shape. For base we can select this object, and for add we can select this object. Click OK. So it will be combined into one. The last step we can use fillet command. You can use fillet tools in here, and we can set for radius into 1, You can select this edge one by one to fillet. Okay, click at this point. Around this all edge in the top, and also you can click in here, the next in the bottom here. You can orbit by pressing right mouse hold to orbit the object, and the last at this point. Okay, you also can set in the from here in this circle. If you're done, you can click OK to apply. Now we already create this simple 3D models for exercise number 5 with ZW3D software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.